Pilot certified level 2.
Of course. I
Well, you're very,
Is someone there? Fish! Chicken Little! Fish!
How do we get him out?
I don't know.
What are we going to do?
Maybe one of those buttons.
Yeah, but which one?
It's gotta be the blue one.
But what if it's red?
It's never red.
Huh?
Red means bad. Blue means good.
Oh, yeah, just like on TV. When there's a bomb, you never, ever cut the red wire!
He's right.
Okay, then blue it is.
I guess that was the wrong one.
He's gone.
Oh no! We killed him! We killed Fish! No!
What are your main interests? Interests? What makes you truly passionate? Well, I collect photographs of sheepdogs. What a coincidence!
Welcome to the party.
So listen, honey, I was thinking, I'm a pretty cool guy, and
You, me, dancing now. Sauce, wait! Honey, wait!
Those guys are looking at us.
Don't they know we're from two different worlds? Regular and popular?
The one in the green shirt is cute. In a head too big for his butt kind of way. I hate you.
Like this, Double D. Go, boys. Let's boogie!
Yep, this is great. You guys sure know how to party. Way to get burnt, shovelhead! Better be!
He was the bravest fish I ever knew.
I'm so sorry. You were the best friend I ever had. Relax, Squirt.
He even let me wear his helmet once.
Fish!
Are you okay? Did they hurt you? Say something!
Yeah, don't tap the glass. They hate it when you do that.
All right, let's get out of here. Where's lunch?
We're next.